Hello everyone. Good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. Wherever you are watching this program. My name is Dr. Hafiz Abolade, the son of Baba Ramide. Welcome to my channel. If you are watching this program for the first time, I use God to beg you, please subscribe. Share this program with your friend. Share it with your family. I appreciate all my fans, all my diaspora, those that are giving me gifts. Yoruba proverb say, "Ọwọ́ afúnni òkè ló ń gbé." Givers never lack. Thanks for supporting my program. Givers never lack. The eyes that are using to watch my program, it won't get blind. Look for a pen, find something to sit, write these items down. Please share this program with your friend, share it with your family. In today's program, I want to share how to use roro ogede to treat hypertension. If you have hypertension or someone has it around you, don't stress yourself. This is the remedy of hypertension. Ẹ káàbọ̀ nílé lóko ní ẹ̀yìn òdì níbi tọ́wọ́jà atẹ́gùn ètò bá fẹ́ dé. Lọ́pẹ́ yẹn ṣe ń wù mí ní ìgbà àkọ́kọ́ ni. Orúkọ ìmọ̀mọ́ yín, àbúrò yín, olólùfẹ́ yín. Orúkọ mi ni Dr. Hafiz Abolade ọmọ Ramide. Gẹ́gẹ́ bẹ́ẹ̀ ṣe mọ̀ pé lórí ètò yìí, mo máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ nípa bí a ṣe lè lo ewé àti egbò fún ìtọ́jú ara wa. Ẹni tó bá ní hypertension tí a mọ̀ sí ẹ̀jẹ̀ ríru, ẹni tó bá ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ríru, báwo la ṣe lè tọ́jú ẹ̀ pẹ̀lú rọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀? Kí la ń pè ní rọ̀rọ̀ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀? Ewé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó bá gbẹ sórí ara rẹ̀, bá mi wá, ṣé àti wá. Oògùn òpọ̀, ológun ní fílẹ̀ ni. Adúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ bàbá wa tí wọ́n fi ìmọ̀ yìí mọ̀ wá. Wájú tí wọ́n kọjú sí Ọlọ́run jẹ́ kó dáa. Ẹ̀yìn tán fi sílẹ̀, ẹ̀yìn náà bàjẹ́, gbójú tó wò mí pátápátá. Atójú wa, àtẹ̀yìn wa kò ní bàjẹ́. Mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ẹ̀yin olólùfẹ́ wa, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ ń share program wa, ẹ̀yin tẹ́ subscribe, tẹ́ ti subscribe, àtẹ̀yin tí ẹ ti subscribe, a dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ yín o. Àmẹ́ dákun, ẹ subscribe. Tí bá ti wá subscribe, ẹ máa wo àwọn program wa. Ẹ má subscribe lásán, ẹ máa wò wọ́n ọgbọ́n àti òye. Ó ń bẹ lórí ètò yìí. Báwo la ṣe ń tọ́jú ẹni tí ó bá ní ẹ̀jẹ̀ ríru, táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní high blood pressure. Táwọn olóyìnbó ń pè ní hypertension. Báwo la ṣe lè tọ́jú hypertension? Òun lélẹ́yìí tí a mú wá lónìí. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share it. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. In today's program, I want to share how to use plantain leaf to treat high blood pressure. Go and look for this leaf, plantain leaf, the one that is dry by itself. The one that is dry by itself. Go and look for it. Use knife to cut it. The one that is dry by itself. Go and look for it. Yoruba call it roro ogede. Roro ogede. Look enough of this leaf. Enough of this leaf. Then do it like this. Do it like this. Enough of this leaf. If you are watching this program, please don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade. Dr. Hafiz Abolade. Share this program with your friend. Share this program with your family. I use God to beg you. Let this program go viral. Please, let this program go viral. You can also follow me on my Facebook page, Dr. Hafiz Abolade TV. You can follow me on TikTok. You can follow me on IG. How to do it? Look for enough of this leaf. Rinse it very well. Rinse it very well. Then look for one pot. Pour this leaf inside one pot. Pour this leaf inside one pot. Then add ordinary water to it. Ordinary water, add it to it. cook it very well. Cook it like 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Cook it very well. After that, ẹ bá mi wá ewé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ tó ti gbẹ sórí ìyá rẹ̀ báyìí. Ẹ ti rí, ó ti gbẹ sórí ìyá ẹ̀. Ẹ bá mi wá. Ṣé àti wá rọ̀ ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yìí? Ẹ bá mi sàn nù. Ẹ kó sórí pọ́ọ̀tù wa. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a sè é. Ẹ jẹ́ kí a sè é. Ṣé a ti sè é? Ṣé ó ti jiná? Ẹ mu ṣọ́ọ̀tì mẹ́ta ní àárọ̀. Omi ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ yìí, omi ewé ọ̀gẹ̀dẹ̀ ṣọ́ọ̀tì mẹ́ta ní àárọ̀, ṣọ́ọ̀tì mẹ́ta ní alẹ́ nígbà tá a bá jẹ tán. Take 3 shots in the morning, 3 shots at night. Drink it every day. Drink it every day. It's small, but it's mighty. Please, don't forget to share this program. Don't forget to like it. Don't forget to comment. For more video, please subscribe.